All right, so you just picked up your RYOBI 1.8 automotive pressure washer. Everything that comes in the kit is pretty dang good, but the only issue is this stubby gun, it doesn't swivel. And if it doesn't swivel, you're gonna get all kinds of kinks and your hose is gonna get all wrapped up. But luckily that can all be fixed with this little upgrade. You can turn this stubby gun that's included with your automotive pressure washer into a nice swivel gun. And I'm gonna show you how. Let's get started. So the stubby gun that comes with the RYOBI, it's actually pretty good. It's ergonomic, it feels good in your hand, but it doesn't swivel, which is a problem for me.
To put this together is very, very simple. Just unscrew the factory RYOBI hose that it came with. So this is basically a quick connect and a swivel in one. This portion right here, you screw in clockwise, and there's a swivel. You can barely see it, but there's a swivel built into the bottom of it. So it's a quick connect and a swivel in one. Then you're going to take this, your M22 14 standard pressure washer fitting, just make sure it's seated, screw it in about halfway, and then use the sleeve of the pressure washer to meet it in the middle. That way you get a nice solid connection. And then you just attach the two pieces like a standard quick connect. Really, really silky, smooth quick connect and very, very nice swivel. It's like butter. Very nice swivel. And the reason you want a swivel gun is when you have all those kinks, if you don't have the swivel, it's not going to unwind itself. With the swivel gun, it unwinds the kinks and allows you to move your pressure washer stubby gun back and forth really nice. It keeps it very light in your hand. It just gives it more mobility and just makes everything feel lighter, including the foam cannons. It just makes a better car detailing experience for you. And this swivel is no joke. It even swivels better than the active stubby gun that I have, which is almost, I think it's like $100. So this is pretty cool. You can turn your factory RYOBI short gun into a swivel gun for some really short money. Of course, you're adding some extra hardware and weight to the back of the gun, but the gun is already so light. I think this is a great option if you don't want to spend a bunch of money on an expensive short gun. Just take the factory gun, buy this quick connect swivel piece, and you're good to go. You don't have to spend a bunch of money to have a great car detailing experience. Go check it out. I'll see you in the next one.